Espesyal po ang buwan ng Marso sa mga kababaihan dahil buong buwan ang celebration ng ating programa sa Women's Month. Alam nyo ba na aabot sa 1,700 metric tons ang nasisira o nasasayang na pagkain ng mga Pinoy kada araw, believe it or not. Ayon sa DOST, katumbas niyan ay 23 pesos kada Pinoy. Buti na lang at may mga good causes na nakatutok na bawasan ang food wastage. Ito ngayon ang grupo ng Scholars of Sustenance Philippines or SOS Philippines na nakakapagsalba ng 1,000,000 kilogram ng pagkain simula pa ng 2022. Dahil dyan, 4 million meals na po ang naipamahagi. Ang nasa likod ng advocacy na yan ay walang iba, kundi isang woman din. Kaya proud na proud ako kasi nga Women's Month. Kapwa ko, babae. Si Miss Rachel Luna, Country General Manager ng Scholars of Sustenance Philippines. Magandang hapon, Rachel.
Magandang hapon. Good afternoon, Christine.
And happy Women's Month to
Happy
us.
Women's Month to us,
Yeah,
yes.
perfect and deserving naman na nandito ka ngayon.
Yes.
Kasi we'd like to get to know you better. Although
Sure.
una ko nakilala si Mac.
Yeah.
Hi, Mac. Mac Lorenzo.
Hi, Mac. Get well soon.
Get well soon, Mac. Ayan. But I want to know straight from you, paano nabuo itong Scholars of Sustenance or SOS?
So, the SOS actually started in Thailand in 2017. So, the founder is a Danish national. He was traveling, tapos nakita niya yung food wastage in Thailand. And then he said, bakit wala tayong ginagawa about it? So, he started the organization there, and then it grew. So, he moved to Indonesia. So, meron din kami sa Indonesia. And then the youngest is SOS Philippines. We just started in October 2022. So that's how it all began.
Yeah. And then, when you were there, you were traveling lang, no? Tourist ka lon.
No, this was the founder.
Okay,
yeah.
founder yun.
Tourist siya,
Oh,
yes.
But as a tourist, when you travel or someone who goes to restaurants, no?
Right.
Buffets, ganyan.
Right.
How do you feel? Minsan ba naglalaro sa isip mo na ang dami namang pagkain?
Yes.
Saan napupunta to pag naman pasara na yung buffet,
Yeah.
di ba? Kasi ako, laging yun yung question ko.
Right.
Sa dami na natitirang food, saan to napupunta?
Yes, exactly.
Saan
Ganon din
nabother ka rin?
kami. Parang
Oo.
even in groceries, di ba? Parang, saan kaya napupunta itong mga pagkain na to pag
Yeah.
hindi nabebenta? Saan nila sinustore?
Yeah.
Kasi it has to go somewhere.
So itong food rescue sa Pilipinas, paano nagsimula to? Ikaw na nag-spearhead nito.
So, it actually started by, so yung may general manager kami in Thailand, he started it here in the Philippines. I assumed the role in January of 2020.
22. 21.
Sorry, I assumed the role 6 months ago.
Oh.
Pero I joined January 2024.
Okay.
I was handling global back then, pero more on human resources. But here in the Philippines, we actually have been gaining traction kasi kami yung first of its kind
Yeah.
here in the Philippines as far as food rescue is concerned. So when people are talking to us about it, ano yun? Parang pagpag. Sabi namin, hindi siya pagpag.
Okay. Explain mo bakit. Bakit hindi siya pagpag?
It's actually good surplus food. So, di ba meron tayo mga goods in supermarkets, for example, na it's near the expiration date. So, hindi na yun kinukuha ng mga tao eh. So, instead of them throwing it away, we then rescue it. Tapos, we redirect it to communities.
Yan.
Para at least may mga tao, alam natin na may mga tao nagugutom. So,
Yeah.
kami, we want to make sure na we build that bridge between the food waste and the hunger
Tsaka
issue.
unang-una, Rachel, di ba? Pag nakita mo, let's say, example, March, ba nakalagay, March 8, 2025.
Yes.
Hindi naman yan on the day itself,
Yes,
expired na eh.
oo.
Meron niyang allowance.
Meron
na
naman
mga
yan.
Ilang months ba? Sabi ng friend ko, 3 months, pwede pa.
Pwede
pagka
pang
goods.
3 months
Oh.
Kasi basta properly stored naman siya.
Yeah.
Aminin natin, when we go to the fridge, parang okay pa to eh. Kinakain naman
Diba?
natin eh.
Oo.
So, it's still good for consumption. And
Yeah.
syempre, we don't want din naman to put the communities at risk.
Yeah,
So, we make
tama,
sure
tama.
then that it's safe for them.
Yeah, chine-check nyo rin naman.
Yes,
Ano bang klaseng
yes.
food to? Delata ba to? Dry goods?
Oo.
Fresh vegetables
Tinapay ba
siya?
to? Yes,
Yeah, meron
yes.
pa siyang extension sa
Yes.
expiry date na
Yes.
nakalagay sa package.
Exactly,
So talagang
exactly.
tayo nga, tama kayo. Di ba pa nagtitake out tayo sa restaurant, minsan after 1 week, nandun pa basta nasa freezer. Tinitin mo na lang, di ba?
Pag gutom ka na,
Di ba?
pwede na to.
Pwede pa to, pwede pa to. Kaya nga you do your part, yung
Yes.
due diligence, na before you send it to the communities, you make sure na hindi lang siya pwede pa, kundi talagang pwede
Pwedeng
pa.
pwedeng
Oo.
pa. Kasi kami, we underwent the food safety and handling
Yeah.
here in the Philippines. We went to a training. It's something that hotels and restaurants undergo.
Yeah.
Usually, ang mga hotels, nagpapadala sila ng isang tao. Kami gusto namin, we wanted to take to the next level. So we sent all 13 of us to undergo the training. And then in turn, pag may mga donors kami and communities, tinetrain din namin sila para the whole cycle safe talaga.
Oh, yun. So, what happens exactly pag dinala mo na sa community yung food that was rescued?
Okay. So para kaming para kaming bida sa saya. Kumbaga, sobrang happy ng mga communities kapag nakikita nila yung trucks namin kasi alam nila may food kami that we will give. Usually, we identify the communities first. Iniikot namin siya para hindi kami specific to one community only. And then, kailangan may mga containers sila and then may mga kitchen sila to be able, kunyari frozen yung food, dapat may kitchen sila to be able to heat it. May gloves, may hairnet. So, very careful din kami with food safety.
Oo. Paano kung wala silang mga ganong high-tech na mga kusina na pwede magluto para sa maramihan? Paano kung walang ref, yung mga ganon? Paano magbe-benefit yung ganong klaseng poorest of the poor
Yeah,
na
I know.
communities?
Actually, yes. Tama ka. May mga communities na walang mga refrigerators. So what we do, we identify those communities. Okay, ito walang mga refrigerators to. So dapat yung mga ready-to-eat meals na yung ibibigay natin sa kanila or yung mga delata, mga tinapay na hindi na kailangan ng marami pang processing.
Yeah.
Kakainin na lang agad.
Ayun, like siguro sardinas.
Yes,
Pagbukas ng
yes.
sardinas, pwede
Pwede
na
mo
yun.
naman siya
Tapos may
itasalin
tinapay,
na.
pwede na isaw-saw sa
Yes,
tinapay. Keso,
exactly.
pwede,
Yes,
di ba?
yes.
Ay, basta importante, nabibigyan sila ng pagkain.
Yes.
Pero gaano kadalas yung ginagawa to sa SOS? Every week ba ito?
So kami ay open 24/7. So every day nagre-rescue kami ng food. And we deliver to several communities. I think right now we have 150 communities na accredited
Dami
na.
na, oh.
Yes. Covered din namin yung mga BJMP sa NCR eh. So binibigyan din namin sila ng pagkain.
So para ma-accredit,
They have
kailangan
to go through the
proseso.
Yep. They have to go through the food safety seminar in person. Kailangan namin silang makita in person and then we have to inspect their area, yung kitchen, kung saan ibababa yung mga pagkain.
Pero sino na yung mga partners nyo na restaurants, hotels, supermarkets? Hindi bawal ba sabihin? Kasi
Actually,
meron bang ano yan?
Actually, I'm
Secrecy.
not quite sure if bawal. Pero kasi na-post naman na siya on
Ayun, yung mga na-post lang.
Instagram
Information we
eh.
can share.
Yeah.
Yan.
So, Cebu Pacific, would you
Cebu
believe,
Pacific.
is one.
Natitira silang food?
Yung mga galing sa commissary nila.
Ay, okay, commissary.
And
okay.
then, Robinson's Retail Holdings is a very, very generous donor for us. So, yung mga sa supermarkets nila, they donated to us. We have a lot of hotels. We have Hilton, we have Marriott, Conrad, Okada. So, those are the hotel partners that we have.
Yan yung mga may buffet eh, na
Yes.
minsan 24 hours may pagkain para sa mga
Yes.
high rollers, di ba?
Yes,
Saan
yes.
napupunta yung pagkain? Sayang naman.
True, true.
When you rescue, everyday kayo nagre-rescue?
Everyday kami
Anong time nyo
nagre-rescue.
nire-rescue yung food?
So,
Madaling araw, gabi, umaga, or different times of the day?
different times of the day, parang depende yun sa location.
Okay.
Usually, pag Manila, maaga pa lang umaalis na kami. Or, let's say, we go to Clark, Pampanga. Yon definitely 6 a.m. nasa labas na yung mga trucks namin.
Ang sipag nyo. Ilan kayo na
13.
volunteers?
Actually,
Only
we're not-
13 and you can get to do all of these every day.
Nakakapagod. Yes.
Every day.
Yeah.
Oh, but if may nanonood sa atin gusto mag-volunteer and make their lives more meaningful, pwede ba yun? Or
Yes,
may dadaanan
definitely. They have to go through an orientation kasi
Oo.
we're still handling food. But
Yeah.
yeah, they can always reach us through our Instagram or Facebook, SOSPH Food Rescue.
Oh, alam mo Rachel, yung nakausap ko si Mac dati, para nakwento niya, de bisikleta pa eh.
Yeah, siya.
Hindi
Oo,
ng
oo,
pandemic,
yes,
di ba, to
yes.
rescue food.
Yes.
Galing niya, bilib ako sa inyo
Right,
ngayon. De-truck na kayo.
Refrigerated trucks na kami ngayon.
Ang galing, galing.
Yes.
Meron ba kayong pangangailangan pa, like call for sponsorships? And I also heard na pati stray animals
Yes.
nagbe-benefit na sa food na nire-rescue
That's
nyo.
very close to my heart. Kasi di ba, may makikita ka rin sa mga supermarkets na near expiry na
Dog food.
right?
Cat food, dog
Cat
food.
food,
Yeah.
dog food. So, near-rescue na rin namin siya. Tapos, nagpa-partner kami with shelters.
Uy, baka pwede natin i-partner. I'd like to introduce you to Stray Love PH.
Oh, yes, please.
Ayan,
Yes,
kilala mo na sila,
please.
sila
No,
GT.
yeah,
And,
no.
yun, kasi 200 something dogs. I think 240 dogs.
Sure, sure.
Hundreds and thousands of pesos a month ang
I can
ginagastos
imagine.
for dog food. Well, pwede
So, that's
introduce
very
kita,
close to my heart.
Stray Love PH,
Mga ano,
me
yeah.
too as well. Ano ang kailangan yung tulong para sa mga nanonood sa atin ngayon? Mali mo someone is listening, watching right now who can help you out. What kind of help can we
Actually,
give?
since we have a handful of donors already, ang hindi namin magawa ngayon is to pick it up
Ayun.
on a daily basis. So if there's anyone that's generous enough to give us trucks para we are able to reach more areas, then that would be fantastic. And then we also have a Zero Summit on May 28th. It falls on World Hunger Day. So it's a collaboration of NGOs, mga corporate sponsors, and LGUs.
Saan gaganapin to? Sa May?
Sa UP Diliman, sa may GT building, we'll give you the details siguro
Pag malapit
after.
na.
Yes,
Pwede
yes.
rin kayo mag-guess ulit.
Yes.
Pag malapit na yung
At
date
saka
na yan.
actually, we were saying, why don't you attend the Rescue Kitchen program para you can see it from
Matagal
start
ko na
to
nga
finish.
sinasabi kay Ma, kailangan sobrang busy ko kasi
Okay.
I have this show every
Right,
day.
right,
Saturday, I have Inay ko pa, which I will also guest you there so you
Yes.
can meet my co-host, si MJ
Sige.
Marfori, so that we can reach more audience.
Sige.
And Sunday is family.
Yes, definitely,
And I also have a mom with
definitely.
dementia. Alam mo yun na, if
Oh,
una I
okay,
can
okay.
be with her every day,
Right,
but I
right.
can't do that. Kaya alam mo, sinisingit ko lang siya sa time ko. Like, after this, I can meet her, have dinner with her. So, alam mo yun, family first. Ha?
Yes,
Pero sabi
definitely,
ko, Mac,
definitely.
don't worry, I sent bigas,
Right,
mga
right.
ganon.
Yeah, I
And then,
know.
di ba,
I
let
know,
this
I
show
know.
be a partner of, of SOS.
Right, right.
Yun. Baka kailangan nyo ng logistics partner. Yung,
Yeah.
ang negosyo na talaga, hindi lang truck itself.
Yes.
Pero yung pick up and ano. Kasi
Definitely.
mali mo, meron silang ruta. Halimbawa, papuntang whatever, Taytay, Pasig,
Yeah,
ganyan.
yeah.
Tapos, yun ang business nila. Baka pwede ng daanan
Yes, definitely.
along the way di ba?
Actually, we also launch our farm rescue program.
Ayan.
So we help farmers.
Yun.
Yung pangalawang akyat namin, would you believe we were able to rescue 16.5 tons of vegetables?
Imagine mo yun, hindi na kailangan bilhin. di
I
ba?
know. And then ang dami naming natulungan. Although syempre, ang layo kasi nun, 5-hour drive. So if we can partner with someone, then better for us.
Sige, yan. I can do referrals
Yes,
for you.
thank you.
Yung logistics na yan, iisipin ko na sa contacts ko na how they can help you pick up
Yes.
and bring to your, where's the headquarters?
It's in Better World Diliman in UP Village.
Okay. Quezon City.
Quezon
Ayan.
City, yes.
Ayan. So, okay na kayo sa food, kumbaga, food sources. no?
Oh. By the way,
Logistics
the
na
name
lang.
of the title of our for the animals
Yeah.
is Hands and Paws.
Oh, Hands and Paws.
Yes.
Raise the roof for
I
you.
know.
Hands and Paws. Thank you, Rachel.
No problem.
That's why I love hosting our show because we meet people like you, di ba, na
Yeah.
nakaka-uplift ng spirit. So, yun.
Thank you.
Hi to Mac. And Mac, basta in my way, basta someday mabavlog ko rin to. Yung actual process no
Yes,
being there.
yes, yes.
God will provide me with that time.
yes. When you're
Diba?
ready, He will provide you.
Or baka naman we can play a video next time when you
Yes,
guest.
definitely.
Before May.
Yep,
Yeah,
yep,
so we
yep.
know. So I can just introduce the video and say, this is what happens
Yes,
in the SOS
definitely.
village.
Sige.
Okay. Thank you,
Thank you
Rachel.
so
Thank you so much.
much.
How will they get in touch with you again? In
So
Facebook?
please look for us on Instagram and Facebook, SOSPH Food Rescue. You can also look at our website. It's scholarsofsustenance.org.
And Colors of Sustenance.
Scholars.
Scholars.
Scholars
Scholars.
Scholars of
Of
Sustenance.
Sustenance.
.org. Yes.
Ang galing yung colors. Thank you, Rachel. and
Thank
God
you.
bless you. God bless you. God bless you and your good works.
Thank you so much.
You.